Making money with Facebook Reels involves creating engaging content that attracts viewers and monetizing it through various strategies. Here's how to get started. Set up your Facebook profile. Ensure your Facebook account is a creator or business account, which unlocks monetization features. Complete your profile with a bio, profile picture, and cover photo to appear professional. Create engaging Reels content. Focus on creating short, entertaining, and informative videos that appeal to your target audience. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and creative edits to increase discoverability and engagement. Consistency is key, so upload regularly to build an audience. Grow your audience. Promote your Reels across Facebook and Instagram to increase views. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, building a community around your content. Monetize through Facebook's creator tools. Once you meet eligibility criteria, you can apply for Facebook's in-stream ads. This allows you to earn money from ads placed in your Reels. Alternatively, use brand partnerships or affiliate marketing by promoting products in your videos and earning commissions. Leverage Facebook stars. Viewers can send you stars as a form of support during live streams or Reels. Accumulate stars, which can be redeemed for cash.